Add 2 ladlespoons vegetable oil in a non-stick pan and heat. Add chopped onions and cook until light brown. Add chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Stir occasionally until fully cooked. Add 2½ teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon salt. You can adjust to taste. Stir and mix well. Add eggs, stir and mix until the eggs are fully cooked. Add coriander leaves and stir and mix well for 30 to 60 seconds. Enjoy your scrambled eggs with tomatoes and onions. Please leave a like. Also consider subscribing and turning on the bell notifications.